NutriBullet 12-piece high-speed blender or mixer system by Magic Bullet is portable, safe for kids, easy to use, and effortless pulverizes fruits, vegetables, superfoods and protein shakes into a delicious smooth texture. The NutriBullet's power, patented blade design and cyclonic action combine to extract all of the nutrients from your food, helping you to achieve the healthiest lifestyle possible today. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. The NutriBullet system is quite simply the best product out there to make healthy, nutritious drinks that can help you fight and prevent disease, lose weight, relieve joint pain, promote healthy, younger-looking skin, and even add years to your life. The secret is a NutriBullet's exclusive extractor technology, which uses a 600-watt motor with cyclonic action and a patented extractor blades. This technology breaks down and pulverizes the stems, seeds, and skins where most of the essential nutrition lies, unlike what juicers and blenders do. The NutriBullet does a great job pureeing tough, fibrous foods, such as carrots. Another benefit of the NutriBullet is that it will enhance your ability to preserve produce in season, which I get from relatives' gardens or the farmer's market. Healthier lifestyles are definitely easier to maintain if you have the right tools. This one is a winner.